So now the next step is we are going to create the pairs. Now pairs are list of patterns in response. So in this pair, we will create a list, and in that list, we are going to create different patterns. Pattern means the questions which the user will ask, and for those questions, we will write the response. So let's start, and we are going to write pairs, and pairs is nothing but it is a list, and in this list, we are going to create another list. And this is the regular expression, that's why I wrote R. For example, if the user types hi or hello or what's up, hi you there. So these are the set of questions the user can ask. So for this set of questions, the chat must give some response. So now we are going to type a response which is hello, or you can also give multiple response. You can also set multiple response. Hey there. So if the user writes hi, hello, what's up, or hi you there, for such questions, the bot will respond either hello or hey there. So bot will randomly pick any response from these two and will give it to the user. So in this way, we can frame the different questions. So this is the greeting. These are the greetings which we will create first. Greetings, okay. So the another greeting question is, for example, if the user writes namaste. So for that purpose also, we will create the intent namaste. So instead of writing this thing again and again, what we'll do is we will just copy this and we will paste it here, and we will just edit the intent and response. So namaste. Now our bot will respond namaste. Similarly, we will do it for Marathi language as well. For example, if the bot writes or the user write namaskar, then the bot will write namaskar. So this namaste thing is in Hindi and namaskar is in Marathi language. Or similarly for good morning, good morning, if the user writes good morning, our bot will respond good morning, good night. See, we are creating a very simple bot, so don't expect that this bot will be very intelligent one. You have to make it intelligent step by step. For now, we are creating a bot from scratch, so we will create a very basic bot, and step by step you can add more functionalities to it. You can use different machine learning models, deep learning models to add intelligence to the bot. So this is hard coded. Now similarly, good afternoon. Good afternoon.